one-line wireless plan with unlimited data for $30 a month, taxes and fees included, all powered by Verizon. Visible is flexible and can save you money without a family plan.
He was watching pornography, just in the living room, not in his chambers, right?
That guy wasn't actually like looking at him.
Yo, how was? Oh my gosh, you fucking idiot!
Jesus Christ!
You gotta be kidding me!
Thanks, David.
Yo, I have you on camera. I'm gonna call the police right now.
Okay, call it.
I am.
I gave the indicator. I don't know what you are doing.
I have it on Dashcam. I'm calling the police right now.
Hey, it's not a big deal.
I'm calling the police.
It's not a big deal.
George, you're gonna get angry! Really?
Yeah, that's what
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Let me down again on the original 99X after school special. I'm Will Pendarvis. A lot of people don't associate Smashing Pumpkins with grooviness, but I'm telling you, man,
Come on, man. Seriously?
POV, you're surrounded by idiots.
What the?
Shit!
We were paying a year ago, October. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is optimistic about the economy next year. She appeared on CBS 60 Minutes last night with predictions on inflation and economic growth. Marketplace's Nancy Marshall gets her.
Yellen says she's hopeful the labor market will stay healthy next year. The Fed is trying to slow the economy just enough to tamp down inflation without causing a recession. The so-called soft landing Fed Chair Jerome Powell talks about. Yellen was asked on 60 Minutes if she thought there would be a recession next year.
There's a risk of a recession, but it certainly isn't
epitomize you something.
What is going on here? What are you doing? What? I was going the wrong way.
What happened? Right. So I am. Whoa! Oh my God! Really? Yeah,
no,
we're
okay.
fine.
We're fine.
Oh yeah! What is... I think you're stuck. I think you're stuck, man. I think you're stuck. What an idiot. Yeah, look at that tire! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you?
Are they that important to you? Or are they real? What a fucking idiot.
gotta yield on green, man. Come on. You don't have an arrow. Solid green, you yield to the right turning. Come on, man.